If you're not getting the best picture quality on your Sony Bravia Smart TV, then you may accidentally change the picture settings, or say you just wanted the picture settings by your own. And in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can adjust the picture settings. So let's get started with the video. Well, so to do that is simply go ahead and grab your remote. Well, so the first thing first is go ahead and find out the option key from your remote. Just go ahead and press over here and you'll get to see the picture, sounds, and the scene select option. So now go ahead and press OK, and it's going to give you three different options. So we're just going to highlight the picture option and then press OK, and it's going to give you the picture settings. You just simply go to your settings and navigate to the display and then select picture, and you'll get to see the same settings inside your settings. So now in order to change the picture settings, first thing first, the first option here is you can see the target inputs. So you'll get two different options. And the next option is the picture mode. You just go ahead and highlight the option and then press OK. Now to change the picture mode, you can use your up and down arrow key. So I'm just going to go ahead and press up from here and go ahead and find out your favorite picture mode. And then once you selected that one, you need to press OK. You're not getting the best performance like the picture brightness, color, and others, and you can simply reset your picture settings. It's very easy to do it. You just go ahead and select reset from here and then press OK from your remote, and then it will ask you for resetting your picture setting, get back to the default one. So we need to highlight the yes option and then press OK, and your settings will return to the factory defaults. So later on, I'll talk about how you can adjust manually like your backlight, picture brightness, and color. So the next things that I'm going to talk about is the backlights. If you want to increase or decrease the backlight, you need to select the backlight option from here and then press OK. You can increase and decrease the backlight from here. Select backlight from your preference and then press OK. And also you can increase or decrease the picture mode from here. So here you can see the difference. So once you are okay with this, you can simply just go ahead and press OK. And also you can change the brightness and color, and many more options are available. So just go ahead and select all the options from your preference, and once you're done, your picture quality will be much better than before. So this is how you can easily adjust your picture settings on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. That's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to this channel.